Merry Christmas, everyone. Now, my idea of that perfect Christmas feast, it has to involve a roast turkey. I gotta tell you, it brings back so many memories for me, and I always do one for my kids too. So we start with this gorgeous big turkey. This one's about 5 or 6 kilos, looking beautiful. Now, to get that crispy skin on the outside, it's gotta be nice and dry. All right, next, we're gonna sprinkle salt all inside on the meat, underneath the skins. Sprinkle salt on the outside of your turkey as well. The next step is to take some sage and some thyme, stick it right on into the turkey before you tie it up. Now, you pop this back into your refrigerator for 14 hours. Now, about an hour before you're ready to roast the turkey, what you want to do is take it out of the refrigerator and leave it at room temperature. Next job, get yourself some oil and brush the entire turkey. Take a little water and add to the bottom of your heavy roasting pan. The time has come. We are ready to roast the turkey. We're gonna pop it in 200 degrees for 45 minutes. So once she's been in the oven for 45 minutes, it's time to turn it. So all you do is pick it up, spin it around 180 degrees, close that baby up, let it go for about another 45 to 55 minutes. Okay, the moment of truth. Ooh, it's looking good, isn't it? Get yourself a little bit more of that beautiful thyme, some sage, sprinkle it all over your cutting board, and then I lift my turkey up out of the roasting tray. I do that because then all of those aromatics are going to continue to sort of flavour. You have to rest your turkey for at least 45 minutes. Well, and now an important thing for you to do is take these beautiful pan juices, and this makes the most delicious gravy. Put the pan juices and stock into the roasting pan over a medium heat and bring it to the simmer. And then we want to thicken this beautiful gravy. So we're going to start with a little bit of butter, then we'll throw in some finely chopped shallots. And once those shallots have softened for a minute, you can add the flour. And then you can go ahead, pour that beautiful pan juice. We can add in a little of the Dijon mustard and those green peppercorns and Worcestershire sauce and simmer for about 5 minutes. Now you have the best gravy on the planet. It's time to carve your turkey. So there it is, my quick roast turkey with delicious mustard peppercorn gravy. Give it a go, it's easier than you think, and I reckon you're gonna absolutely love it. Merry Christmas.